Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syamir bin Abu Bakar, and today we're going to present our industrial engineering project that has been conducted at small and medium industry (SME) at Balik Raja. The company is named as Fast Chicken Concept Enterprise that are established on February 2016. This company making the activity of processing food and drinks. The main processed product are frozen pizza and other Western cuisine such as chicken chop and garlic bread. This company are owned by Bumi Putra and the released product are known as Didi's Pizza. Small and medium industry (SME) is defined as one organization of or manufacturing company that serve manufacturing related services with annual turnover of not more than 25 million and employ full-time employees not exceeding 150%. In Malaysia, there are various SME business ventures that have full support from the government itself. Next, the problem statement. The first one is the project is to analysis and determine the optimum position of for the raw material stock in the store of Didi's Pizza, which is located in Industri Kecil Sederhana Balik Raja. The current position for the raw material to make the dough is not suitable and strategic. The store are located at the back of the factory where near for the worker to load the new arrival stock from the loading bay. The second one is the current layout of the store is not in neatly arranged, as the current shelf for the raw material are right in front of the door. This kind of arrangement cause difficulty to the workers as it interrupt the pathway of the store. Next is the objective for our study. The first one is to determine the optimum position of the raw material stock in the store, to propose new layout of the raw material stock in the store using MINISM model, and the last is to produce analysis on material planning by using MRP method. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zaid Firdaus bin Sharif, and I'll be explaining about our methodology. We use MINISA model and material requirement planning. For the MINISA model, it is to locate a new facility with the appropriate distance. It is relative to the current facility and other facilities. It uses a median of them to calculate. For the MRP, which is material requirement planning, we use it to create schedules to identify parts and material necessary to produce the end items, the number of each part needed, and the dates when orders should be released, received, and completed for each cycle. There are three types of MRP. The first one is FOQ, which uses lot sizes, which means that we should order a certain amount of orders each time we want to order it, and POQ, which is based on the production rate, and L for L, which lot for lot, which means that we order what we want to use.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Faiz Hafizi, bin Kabar Jeffrey, method number of AD150133. So in my group I will present about the results and analysis. So from the visit that have been conducted, the original layout that was compiled by Didi's Pizza employees was not very effective. So the figure point 1 shows the Didi's Pizza store layout, the original one. So the arrangement, as we can see, the original arrangement is being made by the colorful. We present the door, sink, raw, boxes of packaging, freezer and table. So the figure 4.2 represent the coordinate of the store layout. And then this is the MINISA model for the existing item. As we can see, the coordinate for x-axis and the coordinate for y-axis and the number of trips. So we move out to the solution for the MINISA model. So the solution is simple. The medium is higher than or equal to summation of the cumulative over 2, which is the total is 17, which is divided by 2, and we can get 8.2. So we arrange the coordinate x-axis from lowest to the highest value, and it resulted that the optimum x-axis coordinate is x, which is equal to 1.35. And then we move to the arrangement of coordinate y-axis, which from the lowest to the highest value. And then we can see the optimum y-axis for coordinate y is y equal to 2.65. And then this is our result from the MINISA model that we have been used. The optimal location of the raw material is 1.35 to 2.65 as the conclusion for the MINISA model that we have used. So the new location for the raw material redesign is being shown in figure 4.3. The new location, we can see the different from the original location. So that this new location, we think that it might be increase the efficiency for the workers and also for the company. Then that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Faisal Yaakob. Today I will discuss about the Material Requirement Planning MRP. DD Pizza have received the order from the customer, which is 200 quantity for the Sunday, 150 for the Monday, 170 for the Tuesday, and 120 for the Wednesday, and the last one is 113 for the Thursday. So to making a break, DD Pizza have need 167 gram flour and also need 2.8 gram yeast and 11.2 gram cooking oil to making a bread. So let's go to see how the material requirement planning MRP working. So the DD Pizza have ordered 150,000 gram to making bread for the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and the flour used is still left as much 1 sack and 8 kilogram for the flour. So this is very unuseful. So we decide to the DD Pizza to order only 5 sack for the flour needed for every week. So we need go to the item for yeast, which is the DD Pizza have ordered to 2,500 gram to making the bread for the every week for the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and also still have left as much 1 pack and 40 gram, and that's amount which is 5 set of the yeast placed in the store are very effective way. So we decide to DD Pizza to order only 4 pack of the yeast are needed for every week. And the last one is cooking oil, which is the DD Pizza have ordered 5 bottle of the cooking oil, which is consist to 25,000 gram. So that's cooking oil also still left as much as 3 bottle and 2,160 gram. So we decide to DD Pizza to order only 3 bottle of the cooking oil to making a break for the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fauzi Wiragani. Okay, so now I would like to continue my presentation with the discussion. Okay, so basically our project is to investigate the store section. Next, this project is to analyze and determine the optimal position for the raw material stock in the store of DD's Pizza. So current layout quite not suitable as the current shelves for the raw material are right in front of the door. So to solve the objective stated earlier, the first solution, which is MINISUM model, is used to locate a facility by minimizing weighted sum of the rectilinear distances from the new facility to existing facilities. The optimum location must satisfy the median and cost function fx. Second solution, which is MRP, is used to create schedules for identifying parts and materials necessary to produce the end items required, the exact numbers of each that are needed, and lastly the dates when orders for this material should be released and be received or completed within the production cycle. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
As a conclusion, overall we can conclude that the objective of the project is achieved, which is to determine the optimum position of the raw material stock in the DD's Pizza store by using MINISUM model method. The optimal location of the raw material is 1.35, 2.65. Next, the material requirement planning (MRP) method is used to solve problem due to the limited surface in the store during the entry to control the entry of raw material in the store. Lastly, the average order for bread in a week are 140. Therefore, we propose a lot sizing rule to control the balance of raw material due to the limited space in the store. By the analysis, only 5 sacks of flour and are needed every week. Then it will save some space. That's all from me. Thank you so much.